the ParisSX round of the off-season happened last weekend, and if you missed it, Malcolm Stewart is the King of Paris for the year. Obviously, really cool for him. Great job. But that guy right there, Hunter Lawrence, it looked like we weren't even going to see on day two. If you missed this in the final race, in the third and final race of day one, he ended up going down in the whoops, and it sounds like it was a pretty big one. In an interview with PulpMX or Steve Mathis, whatever you want to call it, he asked him, was it just general overall soreness or your head? And Hunter answered, quote, "Yeah, I mean, dude, kudos to the Alpine Stars SM10 helmet. Like, I had a gaping hole through the helmet and I have no scuffs on my head." I mean, that's pretty big crash, I guess you want to call it. I mean, to have some, like, the bar end or maybe the foot peg, who knows what actually put the hole in it. But to have that kind of thing, one, it is good job to the helmet, good job to Alpine Stars for making, a safe thing to put on your head if you've got no scratches. And who knows, it's one of those weird things that I can't believe he got hit that hard for something to put a hole through your helmet and didn't have any sort of concussion. But we're just gonna ignore that part, whatever. He went on to talk about, it's just basically just his right arm was sore and a bunch of like bruising and feeling like a water balloon. That's one of those scary crashes, I guess you gotta say. I mean, if you're him, you get out from under the bike or whatever, and when you get back to your trailer and they show you your helmet and it's just got a hole through it, you got to think, well, that's pretty scary anywhere else in the body, and there's not something there protecting, I guess, other than the chest protector. But I don't know. I like Paris. This is one of those funny things. It was weird that it ended up on the same day as the World Supercross in Vancouver. Correct me there if I'm wrong there, but I mean, I guess there is only so much time in the off season, and these guys all want to get their piece of the Supercross pie. Bring in the biggest names that you can, make all the money from tickets, and I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. At least Hunter Lawrence is good. We don't have any injuries for that before, but you guys tell me, what did you like better, Paris or Vancouver, World Supercross, or you like these like one-off ones more? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.